Alrighty, folks. I wanted to get started this earlier. I don't know, just time's gotten away from us. We're gonna weigh this tater and then we're gonna plant it, and then we'll see how much we get back out in return. 1.8 ounces. Can you see that, Dan?
I believe so. Yep.
Alrighty. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually just, let's see, we got 3 eyes. I'm going to take my knife and cut that, and we'll put it in separate, but we're just going to use this one thing so don't get cut up here.
Yeah.
Regular knife works a lot better than a little razor knife. Alrighty. Now we're not going to let it cure out or anything like that there. As you can see, we still got 3 pieces. Oh, 1.8 ounce. Is that what we have for, Dan?
Yep.
Alrighty. Now let's take this over there. We haven't got other stuff growing up in there. Let's dig down a little bit. Put one down here, turn it up like that there. We're going to cover a little bit of dirt up on it. Do the same thing over here. Now we're going to let it grow up some, and then we'll put more dirt on top of it, folks. Dig down here. Cover it up. Alrighty. And then, now these was Kennebec potatoes. It's a popular tater around here. Now we'll leave that alone. Hopefully it'll start sprouting, and we'll keep you updated on it there. Then at the end of the season, hopefully we'll have more than what we put in. Let's hope. Alrighty. Daniel's down there getting it where beside the weed fabric. Dixie's gonna go down here and try to trample some corn down probably. It's been dry here the last little bit. Went from wet to dry. Of course, can't complain. We still got one more field of hay to get up. We've been watering everything but the corn. A few of the beans, I don't know, they were coming up. We'll have a garden report here after a while. Some of them just dried up and died, I don't know. Mom and Pop had the same thing. He replanted some of his. Alrighty. He's just trying to get some of them weeds that's right there beside there. And trust me, as hot as it's been, they'll lay over. Now, if it's like a typical year, you can see we're pretty good shape here. Typical year, all of a sudden it'll start raining and you can't get out here to get the weeds, and they take off, and then you're in a struggle trying to get caught back up. But this corn's definitely needs some water. We're gonna probably have to get the sprinkler out if it don't rain. Alrighty, folks. We'll let you go for the time being here. We'll let Daniel get back to work. Alrighty, folks. I told you I'd do a little garden update. As you can see, we're starting to run the sprinkler some for the corn. They're giving a chance of storms and everything. It looks like it's actually raining on the mountain some. Ain't a real big chance. Fact matter, we've got hay down right now. Usually when we got hay down, that's a drought buster there. But here's the green beans. You can still see, but now there's places down through there. They're just getting yellow. I mean, we've been watering them. Hopefully, Lord willing, tomorrow even when I get off work, hopefully, I can't plan. I done been to work once today. Hopefully we'll get the drip tape fixed up. I'm going to fix the drip tape up for both these, or all 3 rows of these green beans, and then all the tomatoes and peppers will have the drip tape set up for them. You can see down there, what I'll have to do here in a little bit is bring that up. It looks like probably at least 2 more trips up through here with the sprinkler to have enough for this here. Our other sprinkler, it got tore up. Let's go over here, we'll take a look at the cucumbers. There's the squash coming up there. And then you can see the cucumbers going down through. They're doing pretty good. Alrighty, down through here is the tomatoes. I about forgot them. Right on down through in here. We have got, while I'm thinking of it, when we get done, I need to run down here to the dollar store and put some money on a card so Carolyn can order some of those tomato clips. And we've got more tomatoes down here on the other side down here of the greenhouse. Yep, right there. And it is actually sprinkling a little bit. Alrighty, here's the first cutting hay we've gotten so far. And then, as you can see over there, we're working on that tractor. Changing thermostat out in it. The other little patches on the back side, that there, and over the hill. There goes Dixie Run looking for a groundhog. Right here's a hay fork we made for stacking them up too high. That's one of our old backhoes we had. We took the backhoe part off and we fixed the front end there. We can go 3 high with it. We could actually go 4 high, but as you can see, the barn, that's as high up as we can go. We should be okay. We'll put the second cutting in over here. We've got some second cutting left over from last year down in the next barn down through. Alrighty, let's stroll back down through here. Hope everybody has a great day. Carolyn checking out her goats down here. Wave hi, Shug.
I've just got a bunch of lettuce, green, spinach in here, but something's been eating a lot of this out. So it may bolt before long, but
it keeps weather up past like it had past few days.
yeah, we've
it
been
probably
in the
will.
90s. There's Noelle.
Yep, there's little Noelle.
Different colors on her. She looks like she's got a 5 o'clock shadow.
Say, quit talking about me like that. And you see over here, 2 years ago we had one of those tents and we didn't get it down. Wind come through, it ripped it all to shreds, folks. So we had this extra shade cloth. So we took some of our taller T-posts, put that in. Good place when we're out here in the garden's hot. Come out. Yes, you can see all that mess down there. We gotta get that cleaned up. Get a few more T-posts put around. It does pretty good. It's a whole lot cooler in there, folks, than out here in the sun. Alrighty. I think in a few sprinkles that hit me is done over with. I'm gonna go down there and move this up here this way some. Folks, hope you have a great week. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. Hey Shug, is it this Wednesday we're doing or this week we're Okay, this week's What's for Supper Wednesday will actually be on Thursday. We're doing a collab with Debbie's Kitchen again. And first day of summer. It's an open collab, ain't it? It's open collab. If you want to do it yourself, check in, folks. Go to Debbie's Kitchen. Carolyn can leave the link in the description. And go ahead and join us. So, like I said, this week, What's for Supper Wednesday will be on Thursday. Alrighty, folks. Have a blessed week. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Thursday. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe. Watch out for the idiots out there.